So let's get started. First, we need a liquid eyeliner. Second, we need a dry mascara. Third, we need an eyelash curler. First step, draw the straight line in the corner from bottom up and follow the line to the front. Then fill in the empty part. It's done! And now I'm gonna show you the trick to make your eyelashes look long and curly. First step, apply dry mascara. The second step, clip the eyelash and hold for 10 seconds. The final step is to use mascara. No, it's not the dry mascara. Can you see the difference? And now I'm gonna make it complete, but it's a little bit shorter than the first one. This is the results of my cat eyeliner and how to make your eyelashes to be always on all day long. And then thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to see my other videos and subscribe, like, comment, and share. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Bye!